Hello everyone, welcome to Testing Guru. Today we are going to learn Python program to count all characters of a string. So to count all characters, let's consider one string called I love Python. Okay. So to count or complete character size is equals to, we have one function called len function. Okay. So len of str, and let's print. When I run this, you will get 13 characters. So 13 means it will consider the space as well. If you do not want to consider the space, then for that size equals to, then we have method is called replace str dot replace. So let's replace space with this one and then count it. Size is equals to len of size 1. Size 2, let me check. Yes, 11. It means two spaces were eliminated and you will have the character, only 11 character. Now, if you want to print one, means if you want to count the letter, how many time one letter is there. So I will count the letter like we have size 3 equals to str dot count of which character you want to check. I want to check O now, O character. So print size 3. You can see that the character O has been there for 2 times. Again, if you just want to print these letters, words, sorry, not letters, words. I love Python. So how many times it occurs? 3 times. So for that, I have this size 4. Size 4 is equals to str dot strip, then sorry, split and strip. Split, then strip. I think strip split dot split. Yes. Okay. Then print size 4. Then count len of right. So what, 3? Yes, 3. So if you want to frame this sentence, so how I will frame this? Size of string is again print size of string without space.